explore remote or inaccessible regions, such as the polar regions or deep ocean, where traditional research methods are difficult or impossible to use. One of the most exciting developments in the use of scientific research aircraft is the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, or drones. These aircraft are typically smaller and more maneuverable than traditional research aircraft, making them well suited for use in challenging environments. They can also be equipped with a range of sensors and instruments, allowing researchers to collect data on a wide range of environmental factors. In addition to their use in scientific research aircraft can also have significant economic and societal benefits. For example, they can be used to monitor and manage natural resources, such as forests and water systems, and to support disaster response efforts. In conclusion, scientific research aircraft are an essential tool for advancing our understanding of the natural world. While they present a range of challenges, such as high costs and safety concerns, they also offer significant opportunities for scientific discovery and exploration. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced and specialized research aircraft in the future, enabling us to study the Earth's ecosystems and natural resources in new and innovative ways. Scientific research aircraft have revolutionized the way we study and understand the natural world. In this article, we will explore some of the latest innovations and advancements in research aircraft technology, and how they are being used to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our planet today. One of the most exciting developments in research aircraft technology is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. These technologies allow research aircraft to collect and analyze vast amounts of data in real time, providing researchers with valuable insights into the Earth's ecosystems and natural resources. For example, drones equipped with AI can be used to detect and monitor changes in forest cover, providing valuable information for conservation efforts. Another important innovation in research aircraft technology is the use of new materials and designs. Lightweight materials such as carbon fiber and titanium are being used to create more efficient and durable aircraft. While new designs such as winglets and vortex generators are helping to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. The development of hybrid and electric research aircraft is another exciting area of innovation. These aircraft are designed to be more environmentally friendly, with lower emissions and reduced fuel consumption. They are also quieter than traditional research aircraft, making them well suited for use in urban areas. In addition to these technological advancements, research aircraft are being used to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our planet today. For example, they are being used to study the impacts of climate change on the Earth's ecosystems, as well as to monitor and manage natural resources such as forests and water systems. Research aircraft are also being used to support disaster response efforts, such as monitoring wildfires and tracking the movement of hurricanes and other severe weather events. By providing real-time data on these events, research aircraft can help emergency responders to make more informed decisions and save lives. In conclusion, research aircraft technology is rapidly evolving, with innovations in AI, materials and design, and hybrid and electric aircraft. These advancements are enabling researchers to study the Earth's ecosystems and natural resources in new and innovative ways, and to tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our planet today. As technology continues to evolve, We can expect to see even more advanced and specialized research aircraft in the future, continuing the legacy of scientific discovery and exploration. The use of research aircraft has transformed the way we study and understand the natural world.